Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Pydantic AI. Pydantic AI is a Python-based framework designed to help developers build AI agents efficiently, with a focus on type safety, modularity, and simplicity. It extends the Pydantic library, which is widely known for data validation, to ensure that AI agents operate reliably and consistently. This makes it a powerful tool for building complex AI applications while reducing errors and unexpected behavior. One of the main strengths of Pydantic AI is its type safety. By enforcing strict type definitions, it prevents many common bugs and ensures that data passed between AI agents remains consistent. Its modular design allows developers to build agents using reusable components, making projects easier to maintain, expand, and collaborate on. Pydantic AI also supports asynchronous operations, which improves efficiency for tasks involving input and output, such as data fetching or interacting with API. Developers can build multi-agent systems, allowing several agents to work together to handle complex tasks. Integration with large language models adds more advanced AI capabilities, making it easier to create agents that understand and respond intelligently to user inputs. Another advantage is its developer-friendly experience. Many users find it intuitive and Pythonic, with clear documentation and easy-to-follow workflows. Compared to other frameworks like LangChain or Flowise, Pydantic AI is praised for its simplicity, flexibility, and focus on reliability. However, it may not be ideal for every project. For AI applications that mostly process simple text or unstructured data, its strict type system might introduce unnecessary complexity. Developers need to weigh the benefits of type safety against the overhead it brings. Overall, Pydantic AI is a robust and dependable framework for building AI agents. Its combination of type safety, modular design, asynchronous support, and multi-agent capabilities makes it a strong choice for developers looking to create reliable, scalable, and advanced AI applications. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.